Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Assess Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Nursing, Medical and many more online courses. Please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Web Development, Writing, Macroeconomics and many more online courses. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And my WhatsApp and email both are shown in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. If you don't have WhatsApp, you can contact me on my email. Now I am going to start my exam to solve it step by step. Assess chapter 4 simulation exam. Question number 1 of this exam is select but do not open the sales by employer table. Okay, employer table. Close the form and save the form as sales by employee. We will close this, right click on this. Okay, we will close this form and then we will save this form as sales by employee. Click on OK button and then close it. Create a separate form based on the employee info table. Change the title to employee info, split view and press enter. Create a new multiple atom form based on the sales by employee table. Change the title to sales by employee multiple atom and press enter. Okay. Create a separate form based on the employee info table. We will go to the create tab. Okay. In the form group, click on more form button, click on separate form button. Okay. Change the title to employee info split view. Okay. We will type employee info split view. This is the change. This is the new title. We will have to change the title. Then we will press enter. And create a new multiple atom form based on the sales by employer table. Okay, we will go to the create tab. In the form group, click on more form. Click on multiple atoms. Change the title to sales by employees multiple atom. We will change the title to sales by employees multiple atom. Multiple atoms. Press enter. Create a navigation form with the horizontal tabs layout. We will go to the create tab. We will create a navigation form. In the form group, click on navigation button. Okay, we will click on horizontal tabs layout. Add the saved sales by employees form and employee info form to navigation form. Add the saved sales by employees. Okay, sales by employees. We will have to add sales by employee form and the employee info form and the employee info form. Okay, to the navigation form. Okay, we will have to add this. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 2. Using the separate form, change the commission rate for Steven Barton to 0.0325. Use bottom portion of the form to select the record and the top portion to edit it. Okay, basically this question we will have to use the separate form. Change the commission rate of the Steven Barton to 0.325 and use bottom portion of the form to select the record and the top portion to edit it. Okay, where is the Steven button? We will go to the Steven button, go to the create tab. In the form group, click on more form and using the separate form. Using the separate form. Now we will go to the Steven button is here, and then we will have to change the commission rate of Steven button. Here it is. Okay, button Steven. You can see we will have to change the commission rate is 0.0325. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 3. With the sales by imply multiple atom form open in layout view. Okay. Reduce the height of the rows so that they are about half of their original height using the first cell in the form. Close the property sheet if necessary. Okay, now we will with the sales by plus multiple atom form open in layout view. Right click on this form, click on layout view. Okay. Reduce the height of rows so that they are about half of their original height using the first cell. Half of the original height using the first set, we will half of the original set. Okay. Change the font size of the implies ID label to 14. We will click on apply ID, go to the home tab. In the text formatting group, click on font size button and then select 14 font size. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 3 questions of this exam right now. Question number 4 of this exam is that change the layout of cells by implies form to tabular. Okay. We will change the layout of this. Right click on this, click on layout view. Sorry, we will click on this form and then go to the arrange tab. In the tables group, click on tabular button. Right click on this and 1 second. Click on this form, click on design view. 1 second, go to the arrange. Okay, I have already tell you, simply go to the arrange tab in the tables group, click on tabular button. Switch the layout to stacked and then display the form in form view. Now we will go to the arrange tab in the tables group, click on stacked button. Now we will display form in form view. Sort the actual sales field is descending order, click on actual sales fields and go to the home tab in the sort and filter group, click on descending order button. The question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 5. Create a basic report that will open in layout view based on the employee commission all quarters query. Create a basic report that will open in layout view based on the employee commission. Click on the create tab in the reports group. Click on report button. Use the report wizard. 1 second. 1 second, my battery is running low. Give me a second. Okay. Use the report wizard to create a report based on the sales by employees table. Go to the create tab. In the reports group, click on report wizard button. Sorry, first we will select this table, sales by employees table. Based on the sales by employees table, we will select this table, sales by employees table. Then we will go to the create tab in the reports group, click on report wizard button. Add all 3 fields to the report. Remove the existence group, feed and group the data by quarter. Use the summary option to calculate the average actual sales. Accept the remaining default option and complete the wizard. Okay, we will add 3 fields. Okay, implies quarter actual sales and then click on next summary wizard and then average. Click on OK button. Click on next. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 5 questions right now. Total question of this exam is 8. I have done 5 questions in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to do this exam from me, I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade. And if you want to do this complete course from me, I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your art simulation training. I will do your art simulation exam. I will do your art assignments project. I will do your midterm exam and final exam and complete course with A plus grade. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this exam, this assignments, this midterm, final exam and for complete course. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp email. My email is shown on my bottom of the screen and given in the description. And please reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, and many more online courses. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I am handling many students courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage Mintab, MC Graham Seminar, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.